In this lesson, we're going to learn cd command. Cd means change directory, and it helps to change current directory. So let's type pwd command as we learned in our previous lesson. We are in our Araz Ahmadov directory. If we put cd and cd dot, nothing changed. But if you put cd two dots, it will go back to parent home directory, and it's a previous directory, and typing pwd shows we are in home directory. It means C2 dots will take you back one directory from Araz Ahmadov to home. If we type cd2 dots, it will take us to root directory. Again, if we type cd2 dots, it does nothing because we are in the last directory. In this case, if we type cd dot, nothing changed because cd dot represents current working directory. By the way, I want to note that if cd2 dots takes you back to parent directories, cd dot does nothing. It shows current directory. But cd takes you home directory no matter in what directory you are. Type in pwd and it still shows we are in a root directory. If we type just cd, like I said, it will take us to home/Araz Ahmadov directory. We can go to a root directory, type in cd / and type in pwd. It shows we are in our root directory again. Now put in cd tilde, takes us home/Araz Ahmadov directory again. So cd and cd tilde does the same functionality. No matter in what directory you are, cd and cd tilde will take you to your home directory. Now I want to show you directories over graphical user interface view. Go into activities, then files, and you see we have here desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public templates, videos, directories under Araz Ahmadov directory. So let's do a little bit practice with desktop directory. Type in cd and press and tab to show directories list. To what directory do I want to go? If I type cd uppercase D and press and tab, it will display the directories with the letter, because first letter is D: desktop, documents, and downloads. If I type cd DE and press and tab, it will complete full directory name for me, because we don't have E letter after D letter. We have only desktop. This is why it has completed for us. If you have a lot of directories start with the same letter, either you can type whole of directory name or half of it for completion of command. Tab function helps to complete full command's name instead of typing manually. So first let's see path of our desktop directory. Where does it locate? And press and enter. Now we are in our desktop directory. put in pwd, it shows we are in our desktop directory. If you want to go back to previous root directory, we don't have to put cd two dots or whatever long commands. We can just put directly cd / and hit an enter and then type in pwd. Now we are in our root directory. So we didn't go back, type in cd two dots from desktop to Araz Ahmadov, from Araz Ahmadov to home, and then to root. Just directly we typed cd / and it took us to root directory. Now let's go to desktop directory, type in cd home Araz Ahmadov desktop, cd, we can choose from here home Araz Ahmadov because we have one user. This is why it didn't, when I pressed tab button, it didn't list me another users. And then I pressed tab and other directories came up. I'm going to desktop, then hitting enter. So again, we are in our desktop directory. Like I said, if you don't want to type all path, then use tab function on your keyboard. It will complete for you. I want to show you one last thing. Type in pwd shows we are in our desktop directory. Directory means folder. If I put cd two dots / and hit an enter, then type in pwd, it shows it took me back to Araz Ahmadov directory. Okay, if I put cd two dots / again two dots and type in pwd, now we are in our root directory. So this one takes you one directory back, and this one takes you two directory back. As we said above, cd two dots takes you one directory back and / separates directories. We'll use and practice cd command a lot in our next videos. So this is end of our lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.